I just love that countdown because it tells us a story is coming, and that's what we're talking about today on Into the Brick of It, and it starts with the build. First, we start out with the TIE Imperial Fighter build, and this is just a stop motion build. There's no story, nothing special going on here, and it's interesting and maybe kind of fun to watch, but we can do better. And we can start by adding story to it. All it takes is figuring out some missing scenes and adding a little bit of story. We can go ahead and be our own directors and decide while we're planning it to add movement with the minifigures and opening of doors and closing of doors. And it adds a lot of interest. Next up, we're going to adjust the speed. Now you can see that this is moving faster, and it's just a little snippet of a story here and there. Nothing too much. That takes us to moving faster and slower and what the effect of that is. And if you know that, you can use it to your advantage to create your story energy. And in different programs, these are some starting points you can use for how to adjust that speed accordingly for what you want. Adding music sets the tone, and the wrong music blows the whole story up, as you can hear here. But the right music, everybody's liking it. And context matters. Let's take a look at Fozzie the Bear. Everything about this fits. It's in context, whether it's the colors, the words, the motions. But the real ending of the story is with the ending, and that brings it all the way home because it's context. And the final TIE Fighter stop motion, here we have it. I added a little bit of text to the top because this was going to be going on TikTok. And all we have to remember here is that we can pre-plan our builds to know which pictures we want to take and which actions we want the different pieces and parts of the build to do. And if we stay in context and we add the right music and take care of our timing, we're going to have a great little story. And that's going to add a lot of interest for other people to keep watching and looking forward to your stop motion builds and stories. And you can take these concepts and use them for actual stop motion too. Anyway, there you have it. Enjoy, and I hope you got something out of it. And if you want to see more detail on any of these sections, let me know, and I'll do a video of that.